Hello everyone, myself is Hemant Kumar MR. I am intern at Emertxe. I am doing this internship based on embedded system. During this internship, I built a project based on MP Lab XID and Pixim Lab simulator. We have built the project microwave simulation. During this internship, we learned the topic is Introduction to C, Conditionals, Loops and Operator, Arrays and Pointer, Functions and String, Storage Classes, Introduction to Embedded System and Microcontroller using a MPLAB IDX XCB PICSIM lab. Introduction to various peripherals of a PIC16F877A. Content of the PPT: what is microwave oven, requirement, microcontroller and microprocessor, Pixim Lab, CLCD, matrix keypad, ISR, timer project implementation. What is microwave oven? Microwave oven is used to eat the food using the microwave, which is of the electromagnetic waves. There are several modes in various microwave oven. We are going to implement 4 modes. There are as follows: micro mode, grill mode, convection mode, start mode. First mode, micro mode. This mode is used to cook the food in a traditional way. It uses a maximum power of 900 watt. Next, grill mode. This mode is used to cook meat and bread. It works as a micro mode, but the purpose is cook meat and bread. Convection mode. In this mode, user can set a oven to preheat for a particular temperature, and it takes 3 minutes to preheat the oven. Requirement: MPLAB IDE, XE8 compiler, Pixim Lab, Pixim 16F877A, 16x4 CLCD, tactile switch, MKP, timer 2. Next is microcontroller and microprocessor, an integrated circuit which is capable to being programmed to program a specified task. It has designed to restrictions such as a memory size, I/O capabilities, peripheral functions. MKP, matrix keypad. The keypad are mostly common used in a telephone, calculator, digital lockers. Next, differentiate between a microcontroller and microprocessor. Microcontroller. The microcontroller is designed to doing a specific task. Microprocessor. The microprocessor is designed doing a variety of a task by alternating the component. This is the architecture of the Pixim lab. CLCD. CLCD means character liquid crystal display. The CLCD is mainly used for the displaying the output. In Pixim lab there are two types of displays: 6x2 display and 6x4 display. It displays the all ASCII character and some special character. There are two types of communication mode: 4-bit mode and 8-bit mode. Interrupt. An interrupt is a communication process set up in a microprocessor or a microcontroller in which an internal or external device requests the microprocessor unit or microcontroller unit to stop the processing. Then the microprocessor unit or microcontrol unit acknowledges the request and attends to the request. ISR, interrupt service routine. An ISR is a software routine that is hardware invoke the response to the interrupt. Timers. In this project we are using the 4-bit timer. The timer, it has many applications such as measuring the time and generating the delays. Timer and counter is a software designed to count the time interval between the event. Let's see the output. I am paste some output screenshots. The first picture show the power on of the microwave oven. Then the next display of the 4 mode. The 4 mode of is grill, micro mode, grill mode, convection mode and start mode. Next is micro mode. In micro mode the power is disappear to the circuit, then the timer is set. And next is grill mode. This is same as the micro mode, the set the particular time. Convection mode. In a convection mode, the user has to be set to some particular time limit, and the user also set the preheat temperature. And next is start mode. In a start mode, the user has to be set the 30 limit time second. When the time limit has to be over, then the buzzer is turned on and the display the power up and timed up display. If we press the RB3 key on Pixim Lab, we get the notification on the door on.
I am going to explain the practical part and the simulation part of the project. Now we will see the simulation of our project, that is microwave oven simulator using PiximLab and Pixim MPLab ID. This is the MPLab ID. In that we have implemented the code. I am showing the code on the screen. Firstly, when we build the code, project goes through the build and create a hex file, and that hex file we load in PiximLab simulator. Here you can see the code is building, and here it is built successfully. After the successful build of the project in MPLab IDE, in PiximLab we have to select the board as a PIC Genius and the microcontroller as a PIC 16F877A. Then we have to load the hex file from our directories. Direct after loading the hex file, the project is ready for further simulation. After turning on the microwave oven, we can see the four modes of the microwave oven. That is, first one is micro, second one is grill mode, third one is convection mode, and fourth one is start. Now we will see all the four modes in the detail. For the selection of the modes, below here is the keypad. We can select the mode from the below. Let's select the first mode, that is micro mode. After selecting the micro mode, the power is 900 watt. Now after selecting the micro mode, here we can set the timer. First, let's set the timer from the keyboard as a 20 seconds. We set the timer as 20 seconds. For starting the microwave oven, we press hash. After pressing the hash, the fan has started. This means the microwave oven has started. Here we can see three options: start, pause, and stop. For selection of this option, we have the keys 4, 5, 6 respectively. The timer is going on. Let's see what happens after the timer end. Here the timer is ended and it's showing time up. That means after end of the timer, the buzzer is on and we will be redirected to the first screen, that is cooking mode screen. Now let's select the mode as grill mode. The grill mode is similar as the micro mode. Let's set the timer for 20 seconds. After setting the timer, we can enter hash key for the starting the microwave, and here is a clear key. We can clear our input. Let's clear it. After clearing, the 20 seconds has gone and we can set it as 50 seconds. After setting the timer as 50 seconds, let press hash to start the microwave oven. The microwave oven has started, and after the 10 seconds the time will up and the micro buzzer will go on. This grill mode is similar to as micro mode. Let's see that third mode in the microwave oven, that is convection mode. For selecting the mode convection mode, we press 3. After pressing the 3, it is asking for a temperature that we have to set. Let's set the temperature as 100. After setting the temperature by entering hash, we start the microwave oven. After starting the microwave oven in a convection mode, the preheating time is of 3 minutes. For these 3 minutes, we will wait, and after the ending of the, we will see. After the end of 3 minutes, that is 180 seconds, our microwave oven is at our set temperature, that is 100 degrees Celsius. After the end of the time, we will see the screen like this. Here we have to enter the time for how long our food is set on 100 degrees Celsius. Let's set the 10 seconds. After setting the time as 10 seconds, let's enter Here we can see the timer has started, and we are seeing the three options: the start, pause and stop. After ending of the time, the buzzer will be get on. That means our food is ready. Now let's see the fourth mode, that is start mode. Start mode is an automatic mode in which there is a default time of 30 seconds. Let's try below option, that is start, pause and stop. Let's try the start option. After pressing the start option, we can see that the time is increased by 30 seconds. There is the same button for start and resume. Let's try to pause. After pressing the pause button, that is key number 5, we can see the timer is paused and fan is also stopped. Let's start the microwave oven by pressing 4. Here the microwave oven is started. Let's try to stop. After pressing the stop button, the microwave oven will redirect you to the first screen. Let's again start the mic. We will start the micro mode by pressing 1. After starting the micro mode, the power is shown and the timer is shown. We set as it 20 seconds. After setting the timer as 20 seconds, we will press hash to start the microwave oven. Let's see. After opening the door, that is buzzer should be on. The door is set default to the RB3 key. Let's press the RB3 key. Here we can see door status, that is open, is closed. After releasing the key, the door will be closed and the microwave oven will be started as it was before. Let's wait for the time up. After timeout, buzzer is on. We will be then redirected to the first screen. Thank you Emertxe for giving us such opportunity, and